If you are looking to experiment and play around with new and emerging AI technologies, then AI Test Kitchen is the place. With Google's AI Test Kitchen, you can play around with new and emerging AI technologies from Google. AI Test Kitchen is an application or website where people can learn about experience and give feedback on Google's emerging AI technologies. The goal is to learn, improve, and innovate responsibly on artificial intelligence together. It provides a way for people to learn about, experience, and give feedback on emerging AI technologies like Google's new technology Music LM. I already have registered with my Google account for free on this website, so you can do the same. And when it will be your turn, you will receive an email from Google. And then simply you can go here and click on try now, and then Google will take you to the Music LM. I'm also still on the wait list. As soon as I get the access, I will create a video around it on the basis of my experiments and I'll share with you. Just for your interest, Music LM lets you type a text and then generates some music on the basis of that text. Sounds very interesting. So as soon as I have the access, I will let you know. Also, there are various other products which you can test in the AI Test Kitchen. And also, similar to a real test kitchen, AI Test Kitchen will serve as a rotating set of experimental demos. So sometime it will be Music LM, sometime it will be some other large language model or another AI technology. So all of these demos will explore the capabilities of the latest version of different tooling. So it will be really exciting. So if you're really interested and excited and passionate about these emerging AI technologies, I would highly suggest registering to this website. I will also post the link to this test kitchen in video's description. Thank you very much.